with the roar of the first steam locomotive piercing the skies of the era. The wheels of human civilization embarked on a brand new track. From the iron horses of the Industrial Revolution to the dazzling lights of modern cities, paced on the backbone of steel, rail transportation has always carried the eternal human pursuit of speed, efficiency, and connection. Entering the 21st century, the widespread and rapid development and application of high-speed trains have redefined people's lifestyles and economic arteries, catalyzing regional coordinated development. It has broken geographical barriers and compressed the distance between time and space, making the flow of resources among urban clusters more efficient. As a major participant and innovation driver in the world's railway industry, China's rail transportation industry has risen from a technology follower to a global leader. China operating 35,000 kilometers of high-speed rail, accounting for more than 2/3 of the global total, that has redefined the center of the world's railway map. Low-cost and efficient human resources, complete industrial supply chains, abundant raw materials, and strong support of government policies have made China turns to gathering place for global train enterprises. Siemens Precision Gears Machine Zhuzhou, Alstom's Power Systems Ruhr Qingdao, and Bombardier's intelligent components are assembled in Changchun. Global top enterprises have taken root in China, bringing in the global leading technologies. After decades of refinement, China has cultivated over 20,000 related enterprises represented by CRC in the rail equipment manufacturing industry, helping China to be the world center of railway supply chain. SinoMac, as a professional machinery equipment solution provider, is the gateway to China machinery industry for global partners. RailMac is the sub-brand that dedicated to the rail transportation industry that provide one-stop solution from design to supply, from installation to commissioning, from maintenance to repair. RailMac always provide trustworthy products and services for global partners. RailMac's business scopes covers complete trains, train components, maintenance equipment, ADV locomotive renovation, train refurbishment, rail track maintenance machines. Our complete train products line including locomotives, freight train, power car train, passenger train, and shuttle train, positioning us as the gateway to China rail transit industry. RailMac provides one-stop train component solutions, from traction converter to electric motor, from bogie to braking system, from body parts to interior components. RailMac working deeply with our manufacturing partners to provide global partners trustworthy customized OEM and ODM services. Empowered by the cutting-edge demi-solid battery technology, RailMac provides EV locomotive renovation solutions, which solve the emission problem of diesel locomotive. and can reduce 50 to 90% operation costs. Supported by the rich manufacturing resources for all different components, RailMac can provide one-stop design and components supply for the train refurbishment works for global partners, reduce the communication costs, avoid the mismatch problem, and greatly improved working efficiency. Based on decades of modern operation of rail transit, China developed world-level maintenance and repair technology, which enhanced the development of railway maintenance equipment industry. RailMac provides maintenance and training equipment with the ability of providing one-stop solution for the railway workshop design and equipment. Railway vocational education support is also available. Supported by leading rail transit polytechnic in China, working with our rail track maintenance equipment manufacturers in China. RailMac also provide rail track maintenance materials, as well as relevant equipment solutions. Meanwhile, we also provide parts supply as part of after-sales service support, including replacement parts for some international brand equipments. RailMac not only provides train equipment, but also offers customized systematic solutions and global on-site after-sales services. Our strong network and relationships have provided us with extremely rich supply resources and technical strength, enhanced RailMac's ability to provide local manufacturing, support for all global partners. In 2015, RailMac established the joint venture company, SinoJin Pinpech JV in Thailand, which was the first complete train manufacturer in Thailand history. Our Thailand joint venture continuously manufactures and supplies various types of train vehicles and core components, making outstanding contributions to the modernization transformation for the State Railway of Thailand. And it is also the classic model of RailMac's localized cooperation. Since 2010, the RailMac team has been present in over 30 countries in regions across Europe, Central Asia, Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, helping global partners to lever the power of China in rail transit industry. A promise is a promise is not only our brand slogan, but also the core philosophy that SinoMac always adheres to, which is rooted in the strict implementation of our TSI quality management system and the 1-2-3 after-sales service standard. Trusted and supported by dozens of Chinese top rail manufacturers, RailMac specializes in rail transit innovation, offering one-stop solutions across the entire industry chain and product lifecycle. RailMac provides the world's customers with the highest quality train-related parts and components at an affordable price level in China, helps global partners to localize and modernize the manufacturing and upgrading capabilities of train equipment, and shares the fruits of China's railway technology development. With all global partners,